Good morning, good morning. So today is the 4th of April. Start with news here. Today we just have the jobs openings at 3 p.m. for UST. That's about it. Let's start with GBP, GBY. Let's remove all analysis. Move on to the daily here. So previous daily candle closed a weak bearish candle. We still had this resistance on a daily here. Let's see what happened. Take a better look at this on the 4 hour. Okay, let's adjust these levels accordingly. So we do have a resistance up here. We do have a support formed down here by the market. To see that the market is in this range. We do also have another resistance up here. Let's take a better look. The 1 hour, see if we can get more information here. Let's adjust these levels. Support comes down here. This resistance, as you can see, it is currently being respected as it stands, and adjust this one here. Okay, awesome. So we do have some sort of a consolidation happening here. So let's add this support right here, because on a 30-minute, yeah, exactly. So as it stands, if we are looking for buys above this area, obviously above 1968, we do have a couple of wicks here, so we want a break and close above, or if it is an impulse entry, but this is about a 31 pip range. Even if it's an impulse entry, we do have these wicks to the left hand side here that could potentially be a problem. So best scenario here would be a break and close above. Taking a look on the downside, obviously we want sells below 164.713 or something like that. Breaks, we do have this wick fill and then this support down here. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move my support zone of interest down here, because this is too short of a range to take any trade. But if it does break below 164.608, we do have cleaner range just coming all the way down. So that's a better zone of interest for me, and that's what I'll be looking at. So sales below 164.608 or buys above 164.870 for GBP GPY. Moving on to gold on the daily here, same thing, remove all analysis, see how the daily, yeah, gold seems to be just kind of ranging, not much happening here. It's printing side by side on the daily. Let's take a look at this on the 4 hour, see if we can get anything better. Let's adjust these levels to down here. Most recent resistance and most recent support down here. Now we do have clean ranges going down. Let's see, 1 hour, adjust these levels. We do see that we are creating some sort of a consolidation here currently on gold. So uptrend, created a support, moved on up, came down, consolidation. From this consolidation we could break above and continue on up. This is about at 32 35 pip range until the next resistance, which is here, right? Or we could break below, then we have this resistance here. It could maybe fill this wick, but not really counting on it, depending on the volume, depending on the time that this does happen. But if we do move this support to 1975, we have a better range. But then again, with volume, this could easily be broken and this wick can become a wick fill. So if this breaks below and closes below, this becomes a wick fill easily. If it's on an impulse entry, knowing gold, it could fill this pretty easily. So I'm gonna leave it there. Sales gonna be below 1978 and buys above 1981. Let's see what happens. Let me take a look on a 30-minute just to see if I can get any more information. Yeah, clean range, some of what clean range I could say going up, and same situation for the cells, taking into account this wicked support zone right here. That's about it.